Welcome to our exploration of Kumbh Mela, the largest festival in the world, where millions of pilgrims converge in India for a spiritual journey like no other. Held every 12 years, this extraordinary event is steeped in rich religious significance and ancient traditions. Join us as we dive into the fascinating aspects of Kumbh Mela, from the sacred rituals of the holy dip to the astrological influences that dictate its timing, showcasing the diverse communities that gather and the vibrant cultural activities that come to life during this unparalleled celebration. 1. World's largest gathering. Kumbh Mela is widely regarded as the largest religious gathering on the planet. This monumental festival draws millions of devotees who come together to partake in sacred rituals. One of the most significant of these is the holy dip in the river, which holds profound spiritual importance for attendees. The numbers are staggering. During the course of the festival, the crowd can exceed 120 million people. Such a gathering is not only a testament to the festival's religious significance but also to its cultural and social impact. The sheer scale of the event makes it a logistical marvel and an awe-inspiring sight to behold. 2. Held every 12 years. Kumbh Mela is celebrated every 12 years, rotating between 4 significant locations in India: Allahabad, Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain. Each site hosts the festival every 12 years, making it a rare and much anticipated event at each location. The rotation ensures that each place becomes a focal point of spiritual activity in a cycle, drawing pilgrims from all corners of the country and beyond. The anticipation for each Kumbh Mela is palpable as devotees prepare for years to participate in this sacred event. It's not just a festival, it's a deeply rooted tradition that continues to thrive in modern times. 3. Religious significance. The roots of Kumbh Mela can be traced back to Hindu mythology. According to ancient stories, during the churning of the ocean, Samudra Manthan, a pot, kumbh, containing the nectar of immortality was spilled at these 4 locations. The festival commemorates the moment when this nectar is said to have fallen, making it a significant spiritual event. This mythological backdrop adds layers of meaning to the festival, as pilgrims believe they are visiting places touched by divine events. The religious significance of Kumbh Mela is profound, offering devotees a chance to connect with their faith in a deeply meaningful way. 4. Holy dip. A central ritual of the Kumbh Mela is the holy dip in the river. Pilgrims believe that bathing in these sacred waters, especially at the confluence of the Ganges, Yamuna, and the mythical Sarasvati River in Prayagraj, will cleanse them of sins. This belief in the purifying power of the rivers is a driving force behind the festival's immense popularity. The act of taking a dip is more than just a physical action, it's a spiritual cleansing that devotees believe brings them closer to the divine. The holy dip is a moment of profound spiritual significance for millions who flock to the festival. 5. Millions of pilgrims. The Kumbh Mela draws millions of pilgrims from all over India and the world. The number of attendees can easily surpass the population of many countries, making it a remarkable spectacle. For instance, the 2013 Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj alone saw an estimated 120 million people. This massive congregation of humanity is not just a testament to the festival's religious significance but also its universal appeal. People from diverse backgrounds come together, united by a common purpose and shared faith. The festival is a melting pot of cultures, beliefs, and traditions, creating a unique and vibrant atmosphere. 6. Time and astrology. The timing of the Kumbh Mela is intricately linked to Hindu astrology. The festival is held when the Sun, Moon, and Jupiter align in a way that is considered especially auspicious for spiritual activities. This celestial alignment is believed to enhance the spiritual benefits of the rituals performed during the festival. The careful calculation of these astrological events adds an extra layer of significance to the festival, as devotees believe that participating during these auspicious times maximizes spiritual rewards. The alignment of celestial bodies is not just a scientific phenomenon but a divine signal for devotees to gather and celebrate their faith. 7. The Maha Snan, Grand Bath. The most significant event of the Kumbh Mela is the Maha Snan, or Grand Bath. Devotees believe that participating in the Grand Bath during the most auspicious time can grant liberation, moksha, and wash away sins. This ritual is marked by massive crowds and is the highlight of the festival. The Maha Snan is a deeply spiritual experience for participants, as they immerse themselves in the sacred waters with the hope of attaining spiritual purity. The energy and devotion during the Maha Snan are palpable, making it an unforgettable experience for those who partake in it. 8. Diverse pilgrims. Kumbh Mela attracts a diverse array of people, including Hindu devotees, ascetics, sadhus, holy men, spiritual leaders, and tourists. The presence of sadhus, often participating in large processions, adds a colorful and spiritual dimension to the event. These holy men, with their unique attire and practices, are a significant feature of the festival. Their presence serves as a reminder of the deep spiritual roots of the Kumbh Mela. The festival becomes a melting pot of cultures and traditions, as people from different walks of life come together to celebrate their shared faith. 9. Cultural and spiritual activities. Beyond the rituals, Kumbh Mela is also a hub for cultural exchange and spiritual teachings. Countless religious talks, prayers, and spiritual discourses take place throughout the festival. It's an opportunity for attendees to engage in social and religious discussions, learn from spiritual leaders, and deepen their understanding of their faith. The festival becomes a platform for exchanging ideas and fostering a sense of community among devotees. The cultural and spiritual activities at Kumbh Mela enrich the experience for participants, providing them with insights and inspiration that go beyond the rituals. 10. Modern infrastructure. While Kumbh Mela has ancient origins, the festival has adapted to modern times. Temporary cities are set up to accommodate millions of pilgrims, complete with roads, sanitation, medical facilities, and even Wi-Fi. The Indian government takes extensive measures to manage the crowd, ensuring safety and convenience for attendees. This fusion of ancient tradition and modern infrastructure is a testament to the festival's enduring relevance. The ability to seamlessly blend the old with the new ensures that Kumbh Mela remains accessible and meaningful for participants from all walks of life.